Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm back again with a very good off-campus opportunity, and this one is with OpenAI. So if you don't know by now, OpenAI is hiring for Student Collective right now, which is going to be like a campus lead internship in which you'll be working together with OpenAI, working with AI, you'll be building projects, and along with that, you'll be getting a stipend and you'll be getting a certificate from OpenAI as well. So for sure, this is going to be a fantastic opportunity for all of you students out there, because you guys already know OpenAI is the most hyped company and the most talked about company right now. So having a certificate of OpenAI in your resume for sure is going to boost your resume. All right. So in this video, we'll be having a complete look at what exactly it's going to be and why it's such a rare opportunity and why all of you guys should go for it. So make sure that you're watching this video till the end. And again, if you're someone who's having difficulty in off-campus placements, if you keep on trying everywhere, but your resume is not getting selected, you're not getting shortlisted anywhere, or if you're stuck with preparation, you don't know how to master DSA, you don't know how to master development, or any other sort of issues you're having in your placement journey or your job hunting or your preparation, then you can connect one to one with me. I'll leave out a link for that in the description box. All right, so coming back to this opportunity, as you can see, we are on the official OpenAI website. OpenAI Student Collective. Apply to become a campus lead. OpenAI campus lead help students gain confidence using ChatGPT and Codex while building projects together, right? So it's not going to be just the campus lead where you have to talk to students. No, you are doing stuff with AI, you are getting AI based skills, you are building projects, right? Which is why it's very important. In a lot of other campus lead programs, you'll see that you just need to talk about the events in your college, you just need to talk to students, you just need to give speeches. But here you'll actually be a part of OpenAI, you'll actually be working, building, and doing tech related stuff as well. Okay, so you can see right now you can apply, but the deadline is quite near. You know, the deadline is 10th of August, as they've mentioned. And a lot of these opportunities come and go like anything, which is why it's such a rare opportunity, because a lot of you guys would not even be knowing that OpenAI is hiring for such a role that you are eligible for. So make sure that you're applying for this before 10th of August. Okay. So, students have been among the first to find new ways AI can support learning, creativity, and problem solving. As OpenAI builds more capable tools, we believe students will continue leading the way and bring others along with them. Okay, so they're sort of like pitching to students. And then OpenAI Student Collective gives undergrad campus leads the tools, training, funding, and support to help the energy grow on campus. Okay, we're looking for students excited to bring peers from every field together, help them gain confidence with the OpenAI tool, and showcase what they create with a global community. So you are creating things. It's not just that you're bringing to other community, you're just a community lead. No, you are building things along with doing all of that. Applications are open now through 10 August at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so you have to make sure that you're applying before that. Okay, so you can see how the program works. You have workshops where obviously you will be taking a part of. You'll be having studio hours, you'll be having showcases, and you'll be having a community. Now, what you will receive, this is important, right? Because what are you getting the benefit out of it? Because if you're not getting a benefit, you should not obviously take part in something, right, where there's no benefit. So, ChatGPT subscription and Codex credits, which is, of course, the bare minimum that you should be getting. So, you're getting a subscription, you're getting Codex credits, which, of course, are valuable, is valuable, right? You're getting funding credits and merch to help you organize campus events, which is of course cool that you're getting merch, you're getting funding, and you're getting all of this. Training resources and guidance. This is important that you're getting training, you're getting resources, and you're getting guidance directly from OpenAI themselves. You know, OpenAI, which is a parent company of ChatGPT, directly they'll be providing you the training resources on guidance, which of course is going to help you a lot. Access to the OpenAI team, again, very, 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 very important, and a global network. See, networking, if you don't know, my friends, networking in our field is the most important thing. You know, a lot of people think DSA is important, dev is important. That is fine. But networking is the most important thing. And a thing like this, right, of course, you're getting all of these benefits. But the most important thing is that you're getting access to the OpenAI team, you're getting to network with the OpenAI team. And of course, you guys already know in OpenAI team, you'll be having a lot of good people, a lot of intellectuals, a lot of talented people, and you'll be networking with them. A cash stipend, so of course there is a stipend, right? You're getting a cash stipend each semester in recognition for your time and leadership, and opportunities for HQ visit in June 2027, which is great that you're getting a high like headquarters visit of OpenAI, right, in June 2027, and other surprises along the way. So you can see from the student community, you can see this person from UC Davis, this person from India itself, from RVC Bangalore, and then this person from Georgia Institute of Technology. So people are coming from different places and taking part in this. So of course, India is eligible, right? A lot of people think that for programs like these, Indian students are not eligible, but they have given a person right here that you can see from RVCE. So again, how to apply? Applications are now open through August 10, 2026 at 11:59 p.m. Students from every discipline are encouraged to apply. We're looking for undergrad students, so undergrad students from every discipline who are curious, community-minded, and excited to introduce others to AI. Qualification, just you just left ChatGPT, Codex, and OpenAI tools, of course. Then you're 18 years older. You're currently enrolled in an undergrad college or university program as of August 2026 and are expected to graduate after December 2027. Okay, after December 2027. And you're committed to 4 to 6 hours per week, which is not a lot, right? So, again, the work is also not too heavy. It's like basic work, and benefits mostly outweigh the work that you'll be doing. And you study in the US, Canada, UK, France, Germany, and of course, we have India. Okay, and you're not currently an ambassador intern for any other AI program or companies, of course, because that will be like a conflict of interest. So, you can click on apply, and you can just give all this information, your first name, last name, email address, how old are you, so you have to be minimum 18, then what country is your college in, so you can type India for that, your WhatsApp number, what university, current educational status, when you expected to finish, your area of study, so you can see CSC, your major, course, etc., and all of these things. Okay, so you can mention that you're using all these tools. Okay, make sure you're mentioning that. And then they are giving these questions, right? What's something you've changed your mind about recently? It's the most important problem facing young people. All of these questions are not mandatory, but of course these show your way of thinking. So whenever you're filling out a form for any application, even if there's a question that's not mandatory, that's open-ended, I recommend to answer it. Okay, and of course don't use ChatGPT for answering all of this. Write it in your own words. Okay, then your LinkedIn profile, your other profile, you're enrolled in OpenAI program, yes or no, and whatever you want to share. Okay, so for sure, a very, very, very good opportunity that I highly, highly, highly recommend all of you college students to take part in, because you'll be getting to learn something new. You'll be getting to network with a lot of people. You'll be getting a cash stipend, and you'll be getting a certificate with OpenAI's name on it that you can add to your resume. And these things matter, right? Experience like this matters. Companies are able to see, because companies do care about your managerial skills. They do care about your qualities apart from tech, right? So these things help you in showcasing that well to the companies, right? And of course, OpenAI is a brand in itself, so you'll be getting the help of that in your resume. So yeah, for sure, something that you can try your hand in. Go ahead and apply for it before the deadline, before 10th of August. And if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because I'll bring you guys a lot more off-campus opportunities on a daily basis, on a regular basis. So make sure that you subscribed. And if you need any help with your placements, you need any help with your resume, with your preparation, then again you can connect one-to-one with me. Link for that is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Let me see you guys in the next one.